Hey, this is Rob with Inyo Pools. I wanted to do a quick video today on the purpose of a weir door, also called a skimmer door. And the purpose is to, when the pump's running, to allow water and debris into the skimmer. And so this door is pulled down, it has foam in it, so it's a floating weir door. So the suction from the pump is enough to pull it down, let water and debris in. And when the pump shuts off, this door rises and it prevents debris from exiting the skimmer. Some skimmers may not have this door, but it may have a large basket that has a piece on the inside. And when the pump is running, that piece is sucked down, and when it shuts off, it rises. So you may not have a door, but that's essentially your skimmer door. And it's important to always check this, especially if your pump isn't priming, to make sure that your door is opening and closing, because sometimes it'll get stuck in an up position and it'll prevent the skimmer from getting water. So it's a good idea to check that every once in a while, especially if your pump isn't priming. But if you have any questions about skimmer doors or anything pool or spa related, visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.